Men jag är ingen inkräktare. Men.
Means, but, pronounced.
Men.
Similar to the English word. With a short, somewhat neutral e sound, it's a conjunction used to introduce a contrasting statement or idea. Here, it shows a contrast to a previous statement. Not included in this example.
Ja.
Means I, pronounced.
Yang.
With a distinct
G.
Sounds similar to the g, in, go. It's a personal pronoun, the first person singular form, and is the subject of the verb.
Är.
Means am, is, or are. Pronounced.
Är.
A short and simple sound. It's the present tense form of the verb.
Att vara.
To be. Used as a copula to connect the subject.
Ja.
With the predicate.
Ingen inkräktare.
The choice of
Am. Is.
or
Are.
depends on the English translation context.
Ingen.
Means no or not a. Pronounced.
Ingen.
With a clear
En.
sound in both syllables. It's an indefinite pronoun acting as a negative quantifier. Meaning none or nobody. Here it indicates a negation of the following noun.
Inkräktare.
Means intruder or trespasser. Pronounced
Inkräktare.
with the stress on the second syllable. The
Kär.
makes a sound similar to a throaty cr, while the final e is a short, unstressed sound. Putting it together
Men jag är ingen inkräktare.
means, but I am not an intruder, or, but I am no intruder. It's a statement denying the accusation or implication of being an intruder.